sort of motto of just sort of shoot the dang video and get better as you go along. You were asking about my gear, right? So here's my room. Ooh, very nice, huh? Wow. As you can see, there are a lot of wires. Wires are very important. I also have these lights. These lights are pretty cool. They're LEDs. And I've got the thing on them. I'm actually shooting away from me because otherwise it's even more of a glare. I've got them on posts. I have a UPS system. They shoot in the back. Got some speakers here. You can see the speakers. I've got a conference cam. I got a Logitech cam. I've got a twin 4K screen. Bunch of stuff. This little thing. This is a gyroscopically balanced gimbal for hand shooting. But the thing I was talking about, which is really cool, is this NDI stuff. So here I had this NewTek thing, right? So in the bottom, I plug in a Cat 8 Ethernet cable. Yes, they have Cat 8 now. And in the top, I just plug in either a video source or a HDMI source up to 4K. It shoots it across the network. If I don't want it, I don't worry about it, right? So if I do want it, then I start up my XSplit program, go to NDI sources, and I pull in whatever videos are coming in. So I can do standalone cameras, I can do other computers, pre-canned stuff. So I run the studio using the XSplit broadcaster, but then I've got all these sources that are independent of the program and the computer I'm using. So it used to be when I used Camtasia or did sort of web chat, if the computer bogged down or the network clogged up, it would be a big pain in the butt. Now I just have pieces for each thing. It's a modular setup, and if I want more cameras or something more complicated, I buy either more plugins or actually you can hang any computer off the network. Works fine once you bought the program. I guess that's about it. It's the whole purpose is not to be complicated. I did buy this one thing here. Ooh, it's my Sony. What's this little deal? It's a Mark 7 RX100, favored by webcam dudes. It mounts on the gimbal thing, so if I'm shooting live, it keeps it as like a steady cam. I can also do selfies with that. The sky's the limit, but it's bought and sort of set up such that it plugs into everything else. I just sit down and kind of worry about content. I can do live streaming. I can delay stuff. If I want to add the post-production stuff in later, I'll just save the file, then go back, add titling and stuff in later if I want to do that. For me, found that to be the best setup so far. You can see this. Here's my couch and my background. Also, you can see a little halo here, right? The green screen XSplit thing, it figures it all out for me. Gets confused on the little specular there. That's the thing I'm trying to fix right now. Be good, son. Bye-bye.